Today, while coding, I came across a functionality from Framer Motion which we can use to drag things around. So let's implement that quickly. Okay. So for that, first I'll make a parent div and then a child div inside it. Then we'll try to drag the child div. So that is what we'll do. Let me quickly give it a class name. So let's first give some height, 600 pixels, and some width, border, I think that's all. Okay, it looks good. Now let's have a child div inside it. Now let's give it some height. Let it be 100 pixel as well as width of 100 pixel and some background color. Let's say BG orange 200. Let's make it say 500. Okay, so this is the inner div or child div which we'll try to drag. So let's import motion from, I already have Framer Motion installed, so let me just import motion from Framer Motion. Now since I want to drag this inner div, I'll simply do motion.div. And one more thing, instead of div, if you have some input element, text area or whatever it is, you can do motion.element name. Here I did motion.div. Okay, now okay, it's not draggable. I also have to give the attribute drag. Okay, now it's draggable. But you see there is a problem. We can take this outside of this parent div. In some scenarios, we don't want that to happen. We want its dragging to be restricted inside the parent div. So let's do that. For that, again, Framer Motion provides us with something called drag constraints. Since we want to since we want to restrict its movement inside the parent div, the outer div, we have to first make a ref of the outer div. So let's make a ref of the outer div. Const div ref equals to use ref. Okay, now let's make a ref of the outer div ref. Now simply provide this ref here. I think it might take coordinates of the outer div from here and restrict the inner div inside those coordinates. So yeah, we provided the div ref here in the inner div. Let's see. Now see, we cannot go outside of this parent div or the outer div. So cool, right? So yeah, this is the only thing that I wanted to show. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Bye.